think that the cases of forest fire are increasing day by day at an alarming rate, which is caused due to global warming and high temperatures in summers, which are destroying our natural resources?
Don't worry, friend. We have solution for it.
A warm regards to one and all. Today, I, Janil,
I, Lakshay.
are going to present you a project which is called the Bush Fire Precautioner. As the name sounds, the Bush Fire Precautioner helps to prevent forest fires. Forest fires are majorly caused due to the reason of high temperature and with drying of soil and leaves. So, this project detects the high temperatures. As the temperature rises and the moisture of the soil decreases, it will automatically pump out the water, which will cool down the temperature and will maintain the moisture of the soil, hence preventing forest fire. Let's see how it works.
But before that, let's see the components.
In this project, we have used components like a relay, the gas sensor, the temperature sensor, the soil moisture sensor, the GPS module, an Arduino Mini, a mini breadboard and some jumper wires. As you saw that as the temperature rise and the moisture of the soil decrease, the soil moisture sensor and the temperature sensor detected and they transferred the signal to the Arduino Mini. The Arduino Mini is coded such that as it will receive the signal from the temperature sensor and the soil moisture sensor, it will further transfer the signal towards the water pump, which is located inside the tank, which depicts a water body or water resource which is nearest to the forest in real situations. As the water pump receives the signals from the Arduino, it will transfer the water with the help of the pipes which are led to throughout the forest, and the pipes will pump out the water which will cool down the temperature and maintain the moisture of the soil, hence preventing forest fire.
Thank you.